Welcome to Virtual Pools. I'm going to walk you through creating your very first 3D pool design in under 5 minutes. First, let's configure the pool. Open the app and start a new project. Here, you'll see all the pool suppliers from your dashboard collection. To begin building, tap into Products and select one of the pool options. With this button, you can switch between 3 views. Top gives you a bird's eye plan, Free lets you fly around your design in 3D, and Live, which we'll use later, places the finished pool right into your client's actual garden. This is the Collection button. Tap it anytime to go back and change the type of swimming pool. Now, to design the pool for your client, click here to customize. First, let's set the pool's dimensions. Use the sizing interval slider to choose the level of precision you need. Once you've selected your preferred interval, tap the plus or minus buttons next to the length, width, or depth to adjust the size. You can also resize the pool directly in the design by dragging the arrows on the edges of the pool until it matches the size you want. To move the pool, press and hold the Move control in the center, then drag the pool into position. To rotate the pool, use the circular rotation control around the center and drag it until the pool is facing the direction you want. Now for the style. Choose the body color of the pool pick from any supplier or product you've added to your collection on the dashboard. Next, pick the border or coping stones. Browse different suppliers and finishes to frame the client's pool exactly how they envision it. You might want to toggle the water off here to see the finishes more clearly. This is especially useful in the next step, where we're going to build the stairs of the pool. This is where you add stairs or a pledge. Select from different styles, like normal, double, or corner stairs. Adjust the width and place them in any corner. The pledge, or first step, can be included or excluded. We recommend exploring this for a few minutes to get fully comfortable with the options for your projects. Pro tip: now let's review the design together with your client. Switch to Free View and pinch to zoom in. This lets you both inspect every detail of their future pool and discuss the final vision. There are many more design options to fully customize a swimming pool, such as covers, lights, counter-current systems, inlets, and drains. You can add any of these features to your 3D configurator by first including them in your collection via the dashboard. To add a terrace, first pick the side of the pool you want to add a terrace to and click On. Then, pick your material and set the length. You can choose a different material for each side to match your client's garden and style. Now, bring the scene to life by adding objects around the pool. You can find all available objects under the Object menu. These can be placed now or even later in live mode with your client. Explore options like heat pumps, pool houses, and outdoor furniture to fully customize the space. Finally, the fourth button is Effects. Here, you can adjust the environment by setting the time of day or season to match the presentation mood. This feature, along with human detection, is especially powerful for client presentations in live mode, which we'll cover in the next tutorial. You've just created your first 3D pool design. I hope this walkthrough gets you started. Click here for the next tutorial. How to use live mode. You will learn how to present your pool design on-site with the customer, covering live mode step by step. We'll see you in the next tutorial.